Why replace an expensive rack and pinion when just the bushings are bad? The problem. Don't trust worn out rack and pinion bushings. The cure. Are your rack and pinion bushings failing? You may be feeling clunking or jerking while turning or driving over bumps. Steering feels loose and has excessive play. There may be vibration in the steering wheel while driving. Maybe your vehicle has an improper alignment and the vehicle can't stay straight. Energy Suspension's Performance Polyurethane Rack and Pinion bushing sets will restore and add additional performance to your vehicle, enhance your vehicle's steering, and outlast your stock rubber bushings, all at a fraction of the cost of a new rack and pinion. All Energy Suspension products are backed by our 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty.